things you said to me.
No matter what, keep doing what you do. I don't like this glare, but hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my hair is dry. It needs to be washed. I cut my hair about 6 months ago into a Edna bob, and today we're gonna see where the length is now. I mean, it's obviously grown past the Edna, but we're gonna wash, blow dry, and press out. And if we have to cut it, we'll have to cut it. But let's wash my hair, because my hair is really, like, you see some definition, you don't see some. It's really dry. My hair hasn't been washed in like a week and a half, so let's do that. So I just finished washing my hair, and I'm about to blow dry it and come back. My hair is blow dried. I still feel like it really feels dry at the ends, so I feel like I have to cut again. But my hair has grown a lot, I'll say that. You see at the ends, it looks really dry. But anyways, let me go flat iron it and speed up that for you guys.
You need to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. Slide, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Popping nice things. Slide, when you hear the rain tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get slow today.
We're halfway through. As you can see, my hair is not super straight because my hair isn't heat trained. I bumped the ends a little bit, but it was right here 6 months ago. We grown. Okay, let's pause this. I'm gonna finish my hair and probably style it. But as y'all can see, my hair is very fine. Okay, I have very fine hair. Like, not a lot of body. But my hair's always been that way. So I'm gonna finish and come back.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl.
With you guys, I'm finished. My bob is no longer a bob. I bumped the ends. So yeah, my bob is no longer a bob. It's longer than a bob. I don't know what you will call this, but yeah. Give me some hairstyles to do with my straight hair before I revert it back to the natural state. But I don't like it. I probably have to style this because I don't like how it looks right now. So this is the style. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. See you guys next time.